Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're talking about OpenAI's newest addition to its language model, ChatGPT. This AI-powered chatbot has been making waves in the tech world, and in this video, we're going to show you the 10 coolest things you can do with it. 1. Ask general knowledge questions. ChatGPT has been trained on a massive amount of data, making it a great source of general knowledge information. Just ask it anything and see the instant response. 2. Generate creative writing. Whether you're in need of a poem, a story, or an article, ChatGPT can help you generate creative writing in just a few seconds. 3. Translation. ChatGPT supports multiple languages, so if you need a quick translation, it's got you covered. 4. Summarize articles. If you don't have time to read a long article, ChatGPT can summarize it for you in just a few sentences. 5. Chat conversation. ChatGPT is a chatbot, after all, and it can have a conversation with you about anything you'd like to talk about. 6. Generate jokes. Who doesn't like a good laugh? ChatGPT can generate jokes that will have you rolling on the floor. 7. Play games. ChatGPT can also play games with you, including trivia and 20 questions. 8. Create to-do lists. Need help organizing your tasks? ChatGPT can generate to-do lists for you. 9. Get advice. Stuck on a decision? ChatGPT can offer advice on a wide range of topics. 10. Generate song lyrics. ChatGPT can even help you write song lyrics. Just tell it the type of song you're looking to write and watch the magic happen. And there you have it, the 10 coolest things you can do with OpenAI's ChatGPT. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.